Welcome to Simply Life. So today we'll be patching the drywall in United States. So for this I'm using this kit which is called as FIBA tape, which is wall repair kit. So usually for the wall repair kit what you need is putty, or it is also called as spackle. You need this. Then you need sandpaper in order to smoothen the surface after the spackle dries. In order to apply the spackle, you can use leveler, and it is also called as putty knife. And apart from that, there is this mesh and this adhesive mesh which we will be using on the hole that is made on the wall, and that we are repairing. So currently this is basically the mesh. Okay, it's kind of metallic, and this one has some adhesive. Now what I am repairing is a very small hole, that's why I am taking very small dimensions of the mesh and this adhesive mesh. So both of them, they need to be applied. So now this is what we are going to do. Okay, now this is basically the hole that I am trying to fix. It is a very small, it is like a ½ inch by ½ inch, so that's why I'm using a very small portion of it. First of all, you need to place this mesh over here. On top of it you will be applying the spackle or putty. Okay, now this is basically the spackle, and this is the mesh, and I'm going to apply the spackle. It is also called as putty in some of the shops. Now as you can see, at least the hole is gone. The spackle is applied, so after it dries out you have to smoothen it using the sandpaper, and after that you can basically paint whatever the color of the wall is, you need to paint it over. And that's about repairing small holes in the dry walls.